Way they go, Malihim from the outside, Dugos Charm, Manila Smile. Federal Court Racing Import on the outside is Wolfram. Malihim by Hapalan, followed by Dugos Charm in second. Federal Court Racing in third. From the outside is Wolfram. Then comes Manila Smile, Leopardo, Yotero, Typhoon Doding, and Graceful Conqueror. Inside the last 700, Malihim by about 2 lengths, followed by Dugos Charm down on the inside. Wolfram racing on the outside, taking the third spot, and rounding up Malihim by about 2 lengths. Dugos Charm, Wolfram racing on the outside, almost taking the second spot as they race the final corner. Malihim still leading by about 2 lengths. Wolfram running in second. Dugos Charm down on the inside and nearing the finish line. Malihim still leading by about 2 lengths. Dugos Charm and Wolfram and nearing the finish line. Back-to-back win from the stable R.L. Santos. This time on Malihim. Dugos Charm, Wolfram close with Manila Smile.